Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study economics effectively. Begin by building a strong foundation in core economic concepts. Focus on understanding the basic principles that underpin the entire subject. Make sure you clearly define and differentiate between key terms. Knowing the distinction between microeconomics, which looks at individual decisions, and macroeconomics, which examines the economy as a whole, is crucial for your overall comprehension. To truly master economics, active learning is essential. Don't just passively listen. Engage with the material by asking thoughtful questions and contributing to discussions. Connect the theories you learn to real-world scenarios, like how a change in interest rates affects consumer spending. Regularly practice numerical problems and graph analysis, as these are vital skills for understanding economic models and data. Developing effective study habits will significantly boost your understanding. Establish a consistent study routine and commit to it each day. Regular review of your notes and textbook chapters helps solidify information in your memory. Consider forming a study group with classmates. Discussing complex topics and explaining them to others can deepen your own comprehension and help clarify any lingering questions you might have. For exam success, strategic preparation is key. Work through past question papers to become familiar with the exam format and common question types. Pinpoint the areas where you struggle most and allocate additional study time to strengthen those specific topics. Finally, create brief, summarized notes for each complex concept. These concise summaries will be invaluable for efficient last-minute revision before your exams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.